Hi, good evening. My name is Nicole Roberts. Today's date is January 28, 2018. I will be completing the chicken wing dissection lab for week 3. We're going to be reviewing how the skeletal and the muscular systems work together, and so for BIO230. So let's go ahead and get started. So I already started to remove the integument, the skin, from the chicken wing so that the muscles are actually exposed. There is some skin still left over. This week's lab is going to also be focusing on the structures of the synovial joints. So in humans there are 6 types of synovial joints. There is the ball and socket joint, the hinge joint, the condyloid joint, the saddle joint, the pivot joint, and also lastly the gliding joint. The similarity between humans and chicken wings is the hinge joint, because the hinge joint is formed between 2 or more bones that are found in the ankle, the elbow, and the knee. So in a human, it would be the elbow, and then in our chicken wing, it would be right here, the elbow, the hinge joint. So if this chicken was still attached to the rest of the bird, this would be the shoulder, this would be the elbow and the arm, and then also the phalanges. As you can see here as well, the chicken almost has its own opposable thumb, which would be the saddle joint in humans. Okay. Alrighty, so the muscles are exposed here on the top and also the bottom. They're pretty squishy in texture. The top muscle is referred to as the flexor. The bottom is referred to as the extensor. Both do separate functions. If I apply pressure to the extensor, the muscle will extend out. If I apply pressure to the flexor, the muscle will contract. Okay, alrighty, so this thin red line right here, this is it's a blood vessel, actually, and this blood vessel is responsible for transporting oxygen, provides oxygen to the muscles so that it can exert energy. Okay, right here is the tendon, which is very stretchy and elastic. It connects the muscles to the tissue. We can actually see it at the top as well. Here's the tendon right here. This white stretchy area that's connecting the muscles directly to, the muscles directly to the bone. Here's the tendon right here. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and break apart my chicken wing. Try to be very careful. Okay, well, that's the bone there. The chicken wing. Okay, well, actually at the top here, you can see I was trying to show the inside of the bone. At the top, that is the bone marrow. And the bone marrow is responsible for making blood cells. Okay, and let me try to break this again so that we can see the ligament. And right here, this is actually the ligament. And the ligament is thick and it holds the bones to the actual shoulder. So. You can actually see the ligament right here as well. Okay. So this actually concludes week 3 BIO230 lab. We're discussing the structures of the synovial joints. Thanks for watching. Bye.